To access your to-do lists, the first thing you're going to do inside of our Discovered platform is choose a job post that you'd like to create one in. And over to the right here, we have a number of different options. This one says Generate to-do lists. So we're going to choose that. You'll have a number of options here that say, what should the candidate do, right? So they'll be required to submit their resume, complete some assessments, add the references, complete a one-way video interview, and complete an application. Now, these bottom three options here can only be done if your job post is an active job post. You'll see that over to the left here above the title. It says active. There are quick posts as well, quick job posts that would be purple instead of green there. And those cannot, these three options cannot be used on a quick post. The designation between those two, if you're not familiar, are explained in other parts of the knowledge base. So keep an eye out for that. But very simply, like I said, these three can only be used in an active post. But whatever you choose, if you hit next, you'll be given another set of options here. So in this one here, we're going to choose send assessments. We can choose a few. Some of them may say recommended. That will depend on the job type that you chose when you were setting up your job. We'll choose next. We'll choose invite a candidate into the job post with a link if you don't have a specific candidate in mind. If you do have a specific candidate in mind, you can select a candidate from the job post. Very simple. But most of the time we're creating this because we don't have a specific candidate in mind. So if that's the case, choose either one of these is going to give you the same option, which is to copy the link after you're done. Now, if you fail to copy this or what have you, you choose done before you hit copy. That's okay. What we're going to do is right next to generate to-do list, there's another button that says to-do list links. And we're going to click on that. You'll have all of your links here that you've created, and you can simply hit copy next to any one of them and then paste that into an email outside the system, inside the system, doesn't make a difference, to send to your candidate. One final feature here, of course, you have the remove button as well. If you'd like to clear a little bit of space, you can have as many as you need in here, but you can clear them up for organization. And you can also check this box to ask for a resume. After the link has already been created. You see it added submit resume there. So that's a nice way as well. If you are sending this to a candidate, maybe you don't have the resume yet and you want to collect that, you can check that box for that specific candidate when you send it. For other candidates, you may already have that information, so you can uncheck it, make their lives a little bit easier. And that would really be everything you need to know about your to-do lists. If you have any questions, let us know.